Alright, welcome to pbteck. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Dstv subscription payment. Okay, so you don't need to visit any Dstv nearby office or nearby customer representatives for you to make your subscription payment. Okay, so all you have to do is to pick up your mobile phone and then you download this app. Okay, so you go to any app store that you are using. You go to any app store that you are using and then you download my Dstv app. Okay, so you go to any app store and then you search for my Dstv. Okay, so you type in my Dstv and then it will pop up my Dstv. Okay, and then you install it. So if you are not using any app store or the app store on your mobile phone is not working, you go to your web browser. You go to web browser that you are using. Okay, and then you search for my Dstv app apk. My Dstv app apk. You cannot download. Okay, so here the first search result, then you tap on it. Okay, so here is the app. You download it and then you go to your file manager to install it from there. Okay, so you tap on download. So after installing the app, alright, so it's now installing. So if you are new here, all you have to do is to subscribe, and if you are old subscriber, you need to give this video a thumbs up and then keep watching. Alright, so you open up my Dstv app. Okay, so we have here the first option. You need to select your country. So I'm in Ghana, so you put in your own country over there, and then here is the mobile number. So this mobile number is the number that you use to activate your Dstv decoder. Okay, so you key in that number that you use to activate your Dstv decoder. 05960 5973. Okay, and then you come here, smart card number. The smart card number or the IUC number. So the smart card number, if we are using an HD decoder, the HD decoders, you're gonna find the stickers, some stickers on the either on the box or they used to place it at the back of the decoder. Okay, so you have it here, and then with the Explorer decoders, you're gonna find it. You're not gonna find it on the Explorer decoder, but on the box you're gonna find some sticker on the box that have the smart card number. Okay, so we have it over here, but you can take out the smart card and you're gonna find it over there. So the Explorer decoders, you're gonna find it over here. Okay, or you can just put it on any channel that is not working and then the IUC number will pop up on your TV screen. Okay, so here you key in your IUC number. So mine is 70 33 77 0900. Okay, 70 33 77 0900. Okay, and then you log in. Okay, so when you log in, so So you're gonna see the details of your Dstv account over here. So just click on pay now over there. So this is the package that you are on. I'm on access, that's why it's 45 cedis. Okay, so you tap on pay now and then tap here again, pay now with access. Okay. Okay, so here are the details of your payment. So here you choose your payment option or your medium of payment. So if you're gonna use a debit card, then you choose the Visa or MasterCard over there, and then if you're gonna use your mobile wallet, you tap on the mobile wallet, you have everything over here. So here you tap on the pay now again, then there will be a confirmation on your mobile phone to verify your PIN number. Okay, so after that, then you are done. But make sure whenever you are making the payment, you need to switch your Dstv decoder. Okay, you need to switch it on. Alright, so you tap on the pay now and you are done. Alright, so if you are new here, all you have to do is to subscribe and then hit the bell icon. Alright, bless up. Thanks for watching.